you.
Best friends. Zoom in a little bit.
No, it's
Yeah,
video. It's videotaping. Oh.
He's afraid of you now.
You beat him up,
You
Lily.
beat him up.
Go get him.
He doesn't like being a horse.
Ups a daisies.
That's what you get, Marley. All those times when you were pestering us, oh, I'll be your friend. Now you have a friend for life. Now you have someone who's going to pester and annoy you until the end.
Lie down, Marley. Lie down. He's a good boy, yes. Go ahead. Go ahead, Lily. Go ahead.
Happy.
Uppy where? Where do you want to go?
No.
Oh, you're gonna fall.
Baby.
Oh, Lily, you stink. Woo! P.U. Oh. You're gonna get diaper change? No? Where'd she go? What is she doing?